Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. Y'all know what y'all voted for, and y'all know what we here for, okay? We'll be here to do y'all. Happy Tuesday, y'all. It is Taco Tuesday, y'all. I was going to sit outside and do this video for y'all, but it is cold outside. I did not know that it was that cold outside because as the sun was setting, y'all, it was looking real pretty out there, y'all, but it is extremely cold, to me at least, because your girl is anemic. So I will be inside the house recording this video. So if y'all see a shadow behind me, y'all, it's because the sun is setting. So I'm trying to get here, get this video in, and get this video out for y'all, okay? Like I said, y'all, happy Tuesday, y'all. And today we have the Sunkist mango orange. If you ever have it, if you ever had it, let your girl know how you liked it, okay? Comment down below and let me know how you liked it, y'all. I've never tried it, so this right here will be my first time trying it, y'all. I hope that I enjoy it, and I hope that it's good, okay? Now, y'all, we're not even going to talk about the hair, okay? Y'all know yesterday it rained, so your girl got, caught up in the rain a little bit. But we're not going to address the hair because the hair is going to get done, okay? Stay tuned for that. Let's get into it. Let's hear it. It's a little weak. It's a little weak, y'all. Oh, didn't want to come on. All right, y'all, let me smell it. I think I can smell it already. Let me see. I can smell the mango. It smells very strong on mango, but I don't smell the orange, y'all. Y'all, this right here one was the most, not the most. This right, well, of course, it was the most voted, y'all. But this right here is the one that I really wanted to taste the most, okay? So I'm glad that y'all voted this one. Cheers. Okay. Y'all, my son is staring at me. He's trying to see what I'm going to say about it, but y'all know I got to drink it twice. I don't give no opinion until I taste it twice. Okay. Okay, y'all. It's actually very delicious. Now, I'm trying to see if I taste the orange. Let me try it again. Okay, y'all. I do taste the orange and I do taste the mango. It's actually delicious, okay? But it's not really strong. It's not really strong at all. But it is good. Excuse me, I would say it reminds me of like a Fanta soda, you know? But y'all, this is really good. It's really good. I wish it was stronger though. Ooh. Excuse me, y'all, but y'all, I'm burping, but I just wish all sodas were stronger than what it is. Like back in the day, y'all, sodas used to be so much stronger. Now, y'all, these sodas to me is not even strong no more, y'all. Clock it, okay? But it smells very good, y'all. And it tastes good, too. I would buy it again, but I just wish it was stronger. It tastes like it could be soda and juice mix. My son is just looking at me, y'all. Because he wants to try it too, y'all. I'm going to give him something to try. Excuse me. Hey, y'all. I'm about to drink a little bit more. Because like I said, I'm going to save my son something because he wants to try it. Yeah. Why he sitting there like this? Tapping his imaginary watch. Oh, excuse me. Ooh. Tapping his imaginary watch, y'all. Like, hurry up, because I'm ready to taste it. Oh, wait a minute, son. Oh, wait a minute, son. Because I'm about to give it to you here in a minute. Sitting there, what you tapping for? You tap again, and I'm going to drink the whole bottle right here in your face. Do you want me to drink the whole bottle? Say something. Don't be trying to keep your mouth closed now. Woo. Okay, y'all. Huh? I can't hear you. Speak up. Don't be trying to whisper. Speak up. What?
I'm going to drink the whole thing.
You don't want me to drink the whole thing? You do? You don't?
No.
Why not?
I'm not saying my voice now.
Say it. Why not?
We got to try some.
I know. You gonna try something. How's your taco?
Good.
That's good. Y'all, like I said, I don't know if I told y'all now, but I made tacos today. So, he likes the nacho cheese Dorito tacos, the crunchy one, y'all. So, well, it's not even Dorito tacos no more. They used to call it Dorito tacos. At least I thought so. But that could have just been a Taco Bell, y'all. But he has the nacho cheese tacos. Excuse me. And I made myself some whole wheat, y'all. I used the whole wheat tortillas. And I made me some tacos with that, y'all. And that was the regular. Should I take another sip, y'all? Or should I give him the rest? She said no. Should I take another sip for y'all? Or should I go on here and just give him the rest of the soda? Rock, paper, scissors, me. And if I win, I'm going to take another sip. Come on. Are you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I won. He picked rock, y'all. I picked paper and I covered him. Cheers. One more sip for y'all. And one more for the road. Now I'm playing. All right, y'all. That is it. Ooh. All right, y'all. That is it. Okay. I hope that y'all enjoyed the video. I'm going to give my son the rest of this soda, y'all. So that he can have with his tacos. And that is it, y'all. So until we vibe again. Nope. Until we chat again. Until we vibe again. Until I see y'all in tomorrow's video, y'all. I'm thinking about drinking that RC tomorrow because I never had that either. Bye. And make sure you like, you comment, and you subscribe. And you hit that bell, y'all, to be notified. And thank you to all my new subscribers. I appreciate y'all for subscribing and tuning in to your girl. Bye.